our radio side. We gotta keep them separated. Smash it up. Hey! Separated.
Gotta keep them separated.
Yay!
Gotta keep them separated.
Gringos, I don't think they actually get it. You know, when they give you all those question marks, it's like, what is this? What? I don't understand. See the finale tomorrow. Gotta keep them set. Hey, can we get Harvindera? Why is everyone not coming over here, man? We got a big party going on here. Thank you, Tanya. What, she likes this one? I can't click on it just yet because I'm on the news feed here and I got the song going. Okay, I'll click on it. Click on it, baby. X. It's like tic-tac-toe here. Okay.
Separated.
Gotta keep them separated. And yes, brand new season. Where is Outlaw Golf? Alright, go back over to my wall. Thank you, Gary. I appreciate that. I really, really do. You're doing an excellent job here. We're going to give you a raise. Looking back, you're an outlaw. Like Jesse James. I don't expect anyone to like this one here. It's too edgy, but it's the truth. You know? It's the truth. It's the truth. I only speak the truth. I only speak the truth. I only speak. Hi, I'm Gerald J. Montoya, Leo. They said you never score, but you're out there on the tour like an outlaw. Got a monstrous, thunderous Thursday show here on the eve of the finale, the season. The season finale. Anything can happen. During that one video when it ended, I was looking for my friend with the hot dog stand, and I can't believe he wasn't there. You know, on the yesterday was the 29th of May. And he's not there. It just would have been a splendid place for, you know, interviews. And yes, I was with him, this kid that I knew when I used to run this cafe. He pulled up a motor vehicle. It's just the camera wasn't on. I just couldn't flick it. You know, I can't. You don't think of that. You know, you haven't seen someone in like about 9 years. You just don't pop out a camera. You know, I had to, you know, work up to it some way. But I was explaining to him, you know, what I do on Facebook. He said, "Oh, remember my name." I mean, he knows my name. I don't know if he knows how to spell the last name. Anyway, traffic is good. Weather's getting better.